everyone, welcome to Odo Hcare. In this video, we will be showing you how to use Derma chart in our clinical system. Derma chart concept is to help the doctors reduce their effort for making the derma treatment details of a patient. Any derma doctor in our system can access the Derma chart. Once an appointment is in Hcare status, the Derma chart will be visible to the doctor. To access the Derma chart, click on the Derma chart Smart button here. And then similar to our dental chart, we can also indicate initial examinations and plan examination by selecting the respective points from the chart. To mark the initial examination, click on the initial examination button here. Select a respective point. A new wizard will appear on the screen. From here, click on Add New Line. Then under Services, type at least first three letters of the service. We get Selection Suggestion. Choose the desired service from the list. Then click on Save Changes. You can also add more service for the same surface by clicking on Add New Line. Once done, click on Save Changes. Then this will be recorded as the initial examination. If you want to select more points from the chart, you can follow the same steps. Now for planning new treatments from this same chart, just unselect Initial Examination and then select a point. Add New Line again. Choose the service and then click on Save Changes. We also have one more option to select more than one point from the chart, which will be available by selecting Multi-Select option here. Click on Multi-Select, choose all the points that has to be selected, and then click on Add Note. Then follow the same steps as before. Click on Add New Line and add the services. Once done, the price will be automatically shown by the system. If the doctor wants, he or she can also give discounts from here. After completing all the details, click on Save Changes. And similar to dental chart, you can see all the marked procedure here. For the planned ones, the status will be marked as planned. To complete the procedure, we have to change the status from here to completed. And then we can click on Save Changes button. So these procedures that are marked from here, the Derma chart, will be saved under the patient's appointment record and also in patient's file. Let us go back to the appointment. And under Derma treatment, you can see the marked procedures are recorded. For the payment line, only the completed procedure will appear here and not the initial examination records. So now the doctor can go ahead with our regular steps to complete the appointment, which will be marking completed from here. An invoice will be generated after that. So that's how you can utilize our Derma chart. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much, and I will be seeing you in the next one.